Hello, my fellow PRSSAians. My name is Annie, and I am here to present to you why I should be your next PRSSA Vice President. Side note, yes, this is just as awkward as it seems. But without further ado, here are 13 reasons why I would make your great next VP. Number 1, my name is Annie, like Little Orphan Annie. Therefore, I will make PRSSA into a musical. That's a promise. Number 2, I've had 5 PR internships under my belt and have held leadership positions on campus with Crew, Young Life, UGA Miracle, and others. Number 3, I'm extremely OCD, bad in social situations, excellent leadership positions. Number 4, BuzzFeed once told me that Emma Watson would play me in a movie. That should be reason enough to vote for me. Number 5, I've been a member of PRSSA for 3 years, and I took the agency tour to Washington, D.C. this February. Number 6, I once beat a tiger in a fight using my own strength and one tube of lip gloss. Number 7, I have skills in writing, event planning, graphic design, British accents, and social media. Number 8, I can speak Swahili. I'll let you do with that what you will. Number 9, I can pull off a MIDI ring. Number 10, I have new media experience that can be applied to a leadership position in PRSSA. Number 11, I have a genuine passion for public relations and for Grady College, and I want to make PRSSA the best it can be. Number 12, I like to bake, and I like to share my recipes. Number 13, my cat just died, so you should vote for me out of pity. In all seriousness, I genuinely want to serve as your PRSSA Vice President, and I have the skills to make this year PRSSA's best yet. Don't forget, Annie for VP.